Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to wash our shoes and sneakers in our Samsung front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung Bespoke AI front load washing machine, but these steps could be applicable for other models or even other brand washing machines too. Most of the washing machines don't have a dedicated wash cycle or program for cleaning shoes. Even some brands don't recommend this. So if you have a very expensive shoe, then it is better to manually wash or clean with our hands. And we should not use our washing machine for leather shoes or any formal office shoes as well. If we still do this, then our shoes will be cracked and will be permanently damaged, so we can avoid that. If you have any casual shoes like canvas, sports, etc., and if it is dirty, then we can try this method. Also, if there is any washing machine instruction on the shoes, then please keep a note of it. So the first step we are going to do is to remove the shoelaces. I prefer to remove them and wash them separately. If not, we can put this in a small mesh bag and put it in our washing machine. But I don't want to do that. I'll just remove this manually. So we have removed the shoelaces. And now we need a cup of warm water and a few drops of liquid detergent. I'll put the liquid detergent in the cup now. Just a few drops enough depending on the quantity of the water. And now we have to soak the shoelaces to this. We have to do this. After that we can use our hand to manually clean the dirt, or we can use a soft brush, and then we can remove the excess water and we can dry this. That's all. We can also remove the shoe insoles, especially if they are made of gel or memory foam. We can remove that and we can wash that separately. We can also put this in the mesh bag if it is safe. If not, we can avoid it. We can manually clean this using a soft brush or a sponge or a towel. We can add some water and liquid detergent and we can manually clean this. Also make sure we don't have any dirt inside the shoes. Just shake it like this and we can keep it ready. Now for the main part, we are going to wash our shoes. For this we are going to use this laundry bag designed for shoes. I got this from Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description along with other useful videos. This can hold a pair of adult shoes. We have these fluffy fibers inside which can help to clean the shoes all around, and we have these zippers. We can cover it like this. It will be safe here. And these mesh sides will help to filter the water too. This is not like a mandatory product. We can also use a pillow cover or any other laundry bag too. So we are going to put our shoes inside this bag. We just have to open it and we have to take our shoes. And before that, if our shoes are very dirty, then we can use any old cloth or brush to clean the surface. And make sure we don't have any bubble gum under the shoe. We have to check that. Our washing machine is as important as our shoes. So make sure we don't put our shoes in a very bad condition here. Just keep it here. Put it like this. This can hold a pair of adult shoes. So 2 shoes. And now we can close the zip. That's all. So after putting our shoes here, we have to keep this in the drum. We can keep it here like this. We can also put some old towels to balance the load. We can do like this. We can keep like this and then we can close it. That's all. Let's switch on our washing machine. Now choosing the right wash cycle is very important for this. We have to avoid using hot water because that may damage the shoe glue. And we have to avoid using high RPM spin speed for this. Our washer is good to go with. First, synthetics. We can use this if our shoes are very dirty. We can try this. We have to make sure the RPM is low and we are not using hot water. We can make the changes here accordingly. We can do like this. Second, we can try delicates. If the shoes are somewhat dirty, we can try this wash cycle. And third, we can try the rinse plus spin method. If we have already cleaned our shoes by hand and if we want to clean further, we can try this. And again, make sure we reduce the RPM spin speed. We can make it around 400 to 600. So that's all. These three settings are better overall. So I'm going to choose delicates for this, since our shoe is not very dirty but it smells a bit. This is my regular walking shoe. Even some shoe brands mention like wash on delicate, so we have to check the instruction there as well. We are going to use liquid detergent for this, since this will dissolve better for the scenario. We can add just a bit of liquid detergent for this. Around 5 ml to 10 ml is fine for a pair of adult sports shoes. We can avoid powder detergent, laundry pots and fabric softener for this. Let me add this. And we can close this. That's all. So let me start the wash cycle now. We have selected delicates for this, maximum for 2 kg and run time around 35 minutes. So I'm going to start this and I'll get back to you after 35 minutes. That's all. So these are the things we have to keep in mind. We have to use shorter wash cycle, use cold water, use low RPM spin speed, use liquid detergent, and we can remove shoelaces and insoles, avoid leather and expensive shoes, read the shoe labels properly, and we have to remove the excess dirt from the shoe. That's all. For 400 RPM, it will spin like this. If you want to remove more dirt, you can try increasing it to 600, but make sure your shoes are in proper condition. Okay, now the wash cycle is complete. Let me take my shoes. I'll take the towels later. I'll take them later. So this is our shoe laundry bag. Let me remove this. Let's see how it is. I think. Okay. I'll take the other one. The shoes are pretty decent compared to before. Smells fine too. It's good, but we can definitely hand wash and get similar results too. Anyway, this is the process. We can separately wash the shoe laundry bag as well. We have to keep this clean too. Now we don't have to use our washer to dry this shoe. If we have that function, we don't have to do that. We can hair dry this normally in the shade. Then after some time, after drying everything, we can put back the shoelaces and insoles. We have some dirt here and there. We can manually clean them using a brush. Some stains are like very hard and we can remove them manually if we want. Now since we have used our dirty shoes in the drum, it might be a bit messy inside. So we have to use a wash cycle to clean it. Generally we can do drum clean plus, but this is an advanced drum cleaning process, so we shouldn't be doing this all the time. We have a separate video about this. Kindly check the link in the description along with the product links. Since we already did drum clean plus before, like a few days back, we are going to select rinse plus spin for this and start the wash cycle. Once it is done, we can use a proper towel or cloth to clean the drum area inside. That's all. So let me start this. That's all. These are the steps to wash our shoes and sneakers in Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.